Amber Renae's journey from civil engineering to marketing fame is nothing short of extraordinary and inspiring. With her boss babe tribe exceeding 70,000, Amber has transformed her consulting business dramatically. During her staycation in Bali, Amber unveiled the secrets behind her $22,000-month Freedom Funnel. This multi-stage campaign expertly converts cold traffic into highly profitable clients for her consulting business. Initially, despite a vibrant blog, Amber struggled to turn her online presence into tangible income. Building her own website on lead pages, she crafted high-converting landing pages from scratch with no funding. Amber's creative flair shines as she merges stunning design with user-friendly functionality on her site. She realized that a marketing funnel was essential to engage new leads effectively and drive sales. Her diverse background became her secret weapon, combining data-driven methods with powerful branding. Amber now works less than 10 hours a week, thanks to her automated webinar funnels and clever techniques. It took her 6 months to fine-tune her first funnel, but now she streamlines this process significantly. Automated sales funnels allow businesses to capture leads effortlessly and nurture them into loyal customers. Amber outlines 9 essential steps to create a successful sales funnel, starting with driving cold traffic. Using Facebook ads, content marketing, and public relations, she fills the top of her funnel with prospects. To convert leads into email subscribers, Amber offers enticing lead magnets or webinar registrations. By segmenting her email list, Amber effectively nurtures both attendees and no-shows post-webinar. Each engagement opens new doors, ensuring potential clients stay connected and informed about her services. Amber's funnel strategies create a self-sustaining business model, embodying the essence of true entrepreneurial freedom.